Preparation for middle split. Hip openings are an extremely important aspect in the yoga practice. Today, we will learn a hip opening technique which is a preparation for middle splits. Lie down on your back and place the legs on the wall at a 90-degree angle. Make sure the butt is touching the wall. Now spread the legs apart as much as you are comfortable and yet feel the stretch in the inner thighs. To make this slightly more intense, you can place some weights on the legs so that the weight pulls the legs towards the floor. Stay in this position for about 1 to 2 minutes. Practicing this drill will help you with good hip opening.